Good day, folks. In this episode, I'll be teaching you guys how to inscribe an equilateral triangle in a circle. Now, in this case, we are going to be making use of a circle of radius 2 cm. Now, I will step off the radius from 2 to 4. So when I measure from 2 to 4, that will give me a radius of 2 cm. So let me draw the circle. So you locate your center, and then locating your center. So I'll swing the compass now to draw the circle. So the compass point actually shifted, so I had to adjust it with my hand. Now, you can see there's a little mistake right here, so I'll correct that. Now, after doing that, the next stage is to take the radius of the circle and step it off 6 times on the circumference. So now we're going to measure the radius. Well, I'm just going to confirm it's already measured, so this is the radius. So I'll pick out any starting point. So let me have the starting point as O. Now I'll start stepping. I'll start stepping off 1. So this I'm stepping up the radius on the circumference. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then when I step again, I'll be back to O. So this is how to show that it's actually the radius that has been stepped up. So I'm now back to the point O. So let me call this O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now the next stage is you are going to join every second point on the circumference to complete the equilateral triangle. So let's start from 0. Let's join 0 to the second point after 0. So this is the first point after 0. Let's go to the second point, that's 2. So join 0 to 2 with an outline. Now next thing, we join 2 to the second point, which is 4. Let's join 2 to 4. Now the last stage is to join 4 back to O. So because O is still the second point after 4. When you do that, you've gotten an equilateral triangle inscribed in a circle.